Welcome to this tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to transform a static script into a high-quality video using Google Flow combined with the PF Creative AI Film Director Blueprint. Let's begin by clicking on New Project to enter our workspace. First, establish a good habit by renaming your project immediately. Here, we'll name it PF Corn. This ensures your files remain organized and easy to locate later. Our first step is to establish our main character. Instead of jumping straight to video, we need a reference image. Click the prompt box, select text to video, and then switch the mode to create image. Next, adjust your aspect ratio. Since we are creating content for mobile platforms like TikTok or Reels, we will select portrait or 9:16. In the settings, increase the outputs per prompt to 4. This gives us more variations to choose from without consuming additional generation credits at this stage. You can type a rough concept here to test the model, for example, describing a Malaysian woman. However, for professional results, we shouldn't rely on guesswork. We start by casting our actor. I'll input a simple prompt just to generate a character face I like. At this stage, don't worry about the background or lighting. We just want to find the perfect look for our model. Once the results are ready, review them to find the best facial features. I like this one. Now click Add to Prompt. This is crucial. We are setting this image as our facial anchor. We are telling the AI to keep this specific face, but we will change the environment around her in the next step. Navigate to your PF Creative AI Film Director dashboard. Locate Scene 1. We are going to copy the specialized image prompt which has been pre-engineered for the best lighting and character details. Return to Google Flow and paste that detailed prompt into the text box. This prompt includes specific camera lenses and lighting instructions that a simple manual prompt might miss. Click Generate. As you can see, the quality is significantly higher. Review the 4 options. We are looking for the best facial expression and lighting. Let's select this third option. It looks the most natural. Click Add to Prompt. This is a crucial step. It tells the AI that this specific image must be the foundation for our video, ensuring consistency. Now let's bring her to life. Go back to your director blueprint and copy the video prompt under Scene 1. This describes the specific movement and acting we want. Back in Flow, we need to change our tool. Click the drop-down and switch from Create Image to Frames to Video. Notice that our chosen image is now locked in as the first frame. Paste your video description into the prompt box. This tells the specific AI model, in this case Veo, exactly how to animate the character we just created. Verify your settings are set to the latest model, Veo 3.1 Fast, for quick rendering. We'll generate 2 variations. Click Generate and let the AI perform its magic. The AI is now calculating the physics, lighting changes, and facial movements based on your reference image. Let's review the results. Click on the first generated clip.
The biggest problem with having the sweetest, freshest corn? Keeping it safe out here. The biggest problem with having the sweetest, freshest corn? Keeping it safe out here.
Look at the stability of the character's face and the natural movement of the hands. The frames to video function has successfully animated our static image while keeping the character's identity perfectly consistent. By using this workflow, you ensure your AI videos look professional, consistent, and exactly as you scripted them. Now, let's move on to Scene 2. This scene is more complex because we are introducing other characters, the gorillas, while ensuring our main actress looks exactly the same as she did in Scene 1. Navigate back to your PF Creative AI Director blueprint. Scroll down to Scene 2. Copy the image prompt. This prompt is engineered to place our character in a wider shot with her animal security team. Return to Google Flow. Ensure you are in Create Image mode. Here is the pro tip for consistency. Do not just paste the text. First, Select the successful image we generated for scene 1. By adding this previous image to our prompt box, we force the AI to use her exact facial features and clothing for the next scene. Now paste the scene 2 text prompt after that reference image. This combination tells the AI, use this person, but put them in this new situation with gorillas. Click Generate. The AI is now blending the reference image with the new text instructions. Perfect. Notice how she is still wearing the same red shirt and holding the corn, but now the gorillas are correctly positioned around her. Review the options. We need the composition, where the animals look the most realistic. Let's go with the third option. The spacing is good for a wide shot. Click Add to Prompt. We are now locking this specific group shot as our master visual for the video generation phase. Go back to the director blueprint. Copy the video prompt for scene 2. This script controls the specific actions, like the gorillas beating their chests or looking around. Return to flow. Switch your tool from Create Image to Frames to Video. This is essential to turn our static group shot into a motion clip. Paste the video prompt into the box. Double check your settings. Veo 3.1 Fast Mode. Click Generate. The model is now animating multiple characters at once, the presenter speaking and the gorillas moving, while maintaining the scene's stability. Let's inspect the playback.
That's why I have the best security team in Malaysia. That's why I have the best security team in Malaysia.
By following this image-to-image workflow, you successfully maintained continuity from scene 1 to scene 2. Moving on to scene 3, we have already generated the base action where the tiger confronts our security team. Let's review the result. The movement here is solid, the tiger lunges, and the silverback asserts dominance. This works perfectly as our setup, but we need the story to continue seamlessly from this exact moment. Now I'm going to show you an advanced technique. Instead of generating a separate new clip, we are going to use the extend function. First, click Add to Scene. This moves our current clip into the timeline editor. Next, click on Scene Builder at the top of the screen to enter the editing mode. Here you can see our clip on the timeline. We want to build the next action directly onto the end of this video. Go to your director blueprint and copy the prompt for scene 4. This is the chaotic defense scene where the action escalates. Back in the timeline, hover over the end of the clip and click the plus icon. Select Extend. This tells the AI, take the last frame of this video and keep the action going. Paste your scene 4 prompt here. This ensures that the positions of the tiger and gorillas match perfectly with where the previous clip ended. Click Generate. The AI is now calculating the next 8 seconds of the story, maintaining perfect visual continuity. The extension is complete. Let's go back to the main dashboard to review the full sequence. Ideally, we want more dynamic interaction here. That one was a bit static. Let's try the next one. Now look at this one. The gorilla actively beats its chest and pushes back. It's funny, engaging, and exactly what we wanted. This effectively connects 2 separate prompts into one smooth, continuous narrative flow. This is the power of the Extend feature in Google Flow. We have reached the final, scene 5. This is the most important part of any commercial, the call to action. We need our main character to look directly at the camera and deliver the final sales pitch. Let's head back to our blueprint one last time. Scroll down to scene 5. Copy the image prompt. Notice this prompt is designed for a medium close-up, which is perfect for dialogue and connecting with the audience. Back in Flow, you know the drill by now? Before we paste the text, we must maintain continuity. Select the successful image from the previous scene, the one with the gorillas. We are telling the AI, keep this exact team, but change the camera angle for the final shot. Paste your scene 5 prompt and hit generate. The AI is now repositioning our character and her security team for a professional product shot. Look at these. We need a friendly, confident expression. She needs to look happy that her corn is safe. The first one is perfect. Good eye contact, clear product placement. Click Add to Prompt. We are locking this in as our final master frame. Go back to the director. Copy the video prompt. This script includes specific instructions for a slow push-in camera movement, which subtly draws the viewer's attention to the message. Return to flow. Change the mode to frames to video. Paste the video instructions. Check your settings, Veo 3.1, and hit generate. This is the final render. And we are done. Let's see if our star is ready to sell some corn.
That's the level of protection we give every year. For the sweetest, freshest corn in the world, order PF corn from us now. That's the level of protection we give every year. For the sweetest, freshest corn in the world, order PF corn from us now.
The first one was the winner, and there you have it. Using the PF Creative AI Director Blueprint and Google Flow, we've taken a text idea and turned it into a consistent, multi-scene video commercial.
The biggest problem with having the sweetest, freshest corn? Keeping it safe out here. That's why I have the best security team in Malaysia.
That's the level of protection we give every year. For the sweetest, freshest corn in the world, order PF corn from us now. This video is created by PF Creative AI Film Director AI Tools. Start creating your own viral video today. PM us now.